Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take dual view video in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and here go to more button and here you will find dual view video. So both front camera and back camera will be active and you can simultaneously record both views. Okay, that is the back view and front view. This is my front view and I am talking now, and this is the back side of this phone. Okay, so start recording video. So whatever you record, that will be recorded here. Okay, see. So in this way you can easily record dual view video in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. I stop the video and play the video that I took. See the result. So in this way you can easily record dual view video in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.